Hey guys, welcome to Sponges to Spatula, and this is Pallavi. Good morning everyone. So today I have brought another beauty hack, and this is hair serum. Now this hair serum is made up of only 3 ingredients, and trust me guys, if you have dull frizzy hair, split ends, very thin hairs, as well as if you have dandruff or lysis, this is a miraculous serum. So without any delay, let's get started. For this you will be requiring rice water. This water is from the cooked rice. This is rice water, and this is 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, and this is fresh tulsi or Ocimum sanctimum. Okay, so what you require around 400 or 450 ml of rice water into a saucepan. Then add your 2 tablespoonful of flaxseed into it. I had measured it before already, so it's 2 tablespoons. And then lastly your tulsi leaves. Now we'll simmer it in a very low flame for about 15 minutes. I'll show you how it looks. Okay guys, you can see I have put the pan on the stove with the simmer flame on, and I'll let it simmer for around 15 minutes or till the stickiness or the gel-like consistency is achieved. We'll see that the flax seed releases all its goodness. I'll show you the texture in the last section. Okay guys, you can see now it's simmering well, and it's been around 15 minutes. Now you can see it's like this. It's not very sticky right now, but once it cools down it will be slightly sticky. So no problem, we'll first switch off the flame and let it cool down for another 1 hour, and then we'll strain it from a strainer and use it as a hair pack for 45 minutes. Let it dry for 45 minutes and then wash off with cold water. Okay guys, it has already cooled. You can see now I am passing it through a strainer. Now this is enough for me to apply twice on my hair. You can make more also if you want and store it in the fridge. Apply it twice or thrice in a week, and after second or third application only you will start seeing the difference. You will see your hair grow faster, silkier, shinier, and the split ends have also decreased a lot. I have found a lot more good qualities in them, like when I had a lot of hair fall, my hairs were not coming fast, but I can see small hairs also coming. That means it helps in new hairs also to come. Okay, now you can see our hair serum is ready. You cannot say it exactly a hair pack, it's somewhat like hair serum. We'll apply it from the roots till the tips and let it sit there from 45 minutes to 1 hour, and then wash it off with plain cold water. I'll show you the results. Hey guys, welcome back. And after washing my hair with plain cold water, and drying. This is the condition of my hair. You can see it's very shiny, bouncy as well, and you can see it has some healthy look as well. So I'm pretty happy with the outcome because I know what was the state of my hair. It was very frizzy, very fragile kind, almost dead kind. It was just limp. Now it has some bounce into it. I haven't applied any shampoo or conditioner, but still you can see the glow and shine, as well as you can see fresh hairs, small shoots coming out. These hair shoots are coming out. I had almost lost so much of hair from this side as well as this side, you can see, but now fresh hair is coming. So baby hairs are actually proving that it helps in regrowth as well. Plus it is helping in reducing hair fall. So all in all, it's a thumbs up for me, and this recipe literally helped me a lot. It would be further enhanced if you start intaking 5 almonds as well as 1 spoon of roasted flaxseed in your meal. Then this will be the effect will be doubled, almost doubled, and as well as it helps to grow your hair faster. So all in all, this recipe will work like wonders. Please give it a try, and how it works for you, do write in the comment section. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.